don't count. He got one out of
I'm trying to understand the objective of the game.
Me too.
I'm so totally confused right now.
You ain't got to worry about hitting them. That thing is soft as I
And
don't
every
know
time
what.
Daddy misses one, he gonna say that don't count. Go ahead.
Oh, my neck.
That counted. Go ahead.
That count.
Because Mario missed it. That counted. All right.
Way to go, way to go.
All right, Lace Front.
The one get the most out of 4 who wins.
Oh, that was like 17. For real.
Still coming in. Look at that.
Uh-huh.
It's time for my voice to rise.
No, it's not.
That counted.
Yeah, that counted because you
hit that.
you had capability.
So that's one. So 0 out of 4.
0 out of 4. 1 out of 4?
Okay, 1 out of.
Good.
1 out of. He got 1.
1-1. 1-1.
Oh, let somebody else keep scoring. They're confusing me.
1-1.
1 out of.
Daddy, you just
No, it's
rest your mind
1-1.
for a minute.
He got 2 more tries.
Daddy, rest your mind for a minute. Rest your
So who's gonna keep score?
I just got
Somebody.
1-1. You got 1-1.
Brian, you keep score, and I'm gonna make sure that y'all do it right.
2-1.
2-1. I don't know.
Shell just earned one.
I don't really get it.
No, she's serving, she don't earn nothing. It's only the one who back in the back.
Oh,
She's
okay.
serving.
Daddy, did you make this up?
I think so.
Very creative.
Okay, he got it. So you got 3 out of 4. So you win
I'm
so
trying to get
far.
what we got.
But she gotta have her chance. Each one of y'all get a chance. So now you serve her.
I decline.
Yeah,
Go
you
ahead.
can try to get her now. Now this time you have to battle back to him to say it.
What are you talking about?
You got a big old head. Jesus.
You're right.
Take the
Gee. You nasty.
this and workman's compensation.
So that don't count. Stop.
Broke man's compensation.
I call that one unemployment. Can I get mine?
And I see.
Okay, that's an out. She got 1 out of 3.
I ain't recording this no more.
Yeah, quit it.